A federal judge in Seattle has blocked President Trump's executive order attempting to end birthright citizenship in the United States, issuing a nationwide injunction. The ruling halts the administration's effort to change the interpretation of the 14th Amendment, which guarantees citizenship to all individuals born or naturalized in the U.S. The executive order, signed in 2024, sought to restrict citizenship for children of non-citizen parents, arguing that the amendment's language excludes those not fully subject to the jurisdiction of the United States. The judge determined that the executive order was unconstitutional and overstepped presidential authority. The decision emphasized long-standing legal precedent supporting a broad interpretation of the 14th Amendment and concluded that such changes to birthright citizenship would require a constitutional amendment, not an executive order. The court also warned of the immediate and irreparable harm that implementing the order could bring to families and individuals nationwide, issuing a nationwide injunction to ensure immigration laws remain consistent across the country. This decision comes amid shifting immigration patterns. Data shows a decline in the number of children born to unauthorized immigrant parents, dropping from about 390,000 in 2007 to 250,000 by 2016, representing roughly 6% of all U.S. births in 2016. Advocates argue that blocking the order protects these families from severe consequences, such as creating generational undocumented populations or splitting families into mixed immigration statuses. Removal of birthright citizenship would have also posed challenges to basic access to education, healthcare, and social services for affected children. Economic impacts of such a policy change would have been substantial. Ending birthright citizenship may have led to labor shortages, a reduced tax base, and long-term funding challenges for programs like Social Security. Critics also warned that enforcement would require heavy government spending to regulate birth and citizenship records, adding administrative burdens. Public opinion on birthright citizenship remains divided. Surveys suggest a slight majority of Americans oppose ending automatic citizenship, with younger adults and higher-educated individuals tending to support maintaining it. Political affiliation plays a significant role, with clear differences between Republican and Democratic views on the matter. The legal battle is not over, however. The Seattle ruling is expected to be appealed, potentially reaching the Supreme Court, raising critical questions about executive power, constitutional interpretation, and the judiciary's role in immigration policy. Globally, the U.S. is among just a few developed nations offering unrestricted birthright citizenship, alongside Canada. Discussions around similar policies highlight international debates on immigration and citizenship. Demographic projections warn that ending birthright citizenship could lead to a sharp increase in the unauthorized population in the U.S., growing from the current estimate of 11 million to 16 million by 2050. Such changes could also double the proportion of American children who lack legal status, underscoring the need for comprehensive immigration reform. This ruling by the Seattle judge temporarily solidifies the standing of birthright citizenship, but its future faces legal challenges that may shape immigration policy and constitutional rights for years. The outcome will have wide-reaching implications for millions